How to disable Ctrl+Shift keyboard layout switch in Windows 8. This is similar to how to disable Ctrl+Shift keyboard layout switch for the same input language in Windows, but regards Windows 8. Here, I can change the keyboard language with Win plus space, which is fine, but it also changes with Ctrl+Shift, which is not. Is it possible to disable this on Win 8 as well?
You can disable the sequence Ctrl+Shift in Windows 8. In Control Panel, Clock, Language and Region, Language, click Advanced Settings in the left pane. In Advanced Settings, click Change Language bar hotkeys. In Text Services and Input Languages, click Change Key Sequence button. And disable the key sequence by selecting the Not Assigned Radio buttons.
In case you can't find the option as it's described in the other answer. Control Panel, Language, Advanced Settings, on the left side. Switching Input Methods and GT, Change Language bar hotkeys. In the tab Advanced Key Settings. Change key sequence finally.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.